Hi guys, Leah here. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about growing a targeted following on Instagram using hashtags. So if you see me looking down on my screen right here, it's because I have some notes. I've actually taken some very detailed notes because I do not want to miss a single point today with you guys. I want to show you guys how to build your Instagram from nothing to something. I want to show you guys how to build your Instagram, even if you have an Instagram already that's somewhat established. Maybe you want to reestablish it, maybe you want to rebrand it, maybe you're just not sure where to begin at all with hashtags. You have no idea what a hashtag strategy is, maybe, or maybe you have a little bit of an experience but you just want a little bit of a refresher. Keep watching, this is definitely the video for you. So my very first tip would have to be to really take some time to define your niche. Try to understand what type of people you are trying to reach in the first place. If you don't know what kind of person that you're trying to reach, then how are you even going to know if you are reaching them? So definitely do some research into your niche. Define your niche. Get very specific. It is okay to be specific. The next one is to do some hashtag research once you have developed and completely defined your niche. So for me, I help people with building social media. I help them with beauty tips, beauty tricks, skincare, social media growth, social media optimization. I help people with turning their following into clients. So once you've discovered that's your niche, do some research in that niche. Find out what your target audience is searching for. Find out what hashtags they're following. Find out what the popular hashtags are that they're using in their posts. So definitely do some hashtag research. So my next tip is to switch things up from time to time. Do not always use the same hashtags every single time. Using the same hashtags every single time is like putting all of your eggs in one basket, and you don't want to do that. You want to broaden out just a little bit, still use targeted hashtags, but broaden out a little bit from time to time because it will help you to reach new members of that target audience that you may not have been able to reach before with that limited number of hashtags. So definitely broaden your horizons when it comes to using hashtags. As long as your content is staying consistent, it will still give you good results. My next tip is about the number of hashtags that you use. So on Instagram specifically, you are allowed to use up to 30 hashtags. My personal recommendation is for every single post that you create, number one, make sure it's a thoughtful post. Make sure it brings value. Make sure it is helpful to your community and your target audience in some way, shape, or form. But use all of the hashtags. Instagram gives you 30 of them. Why would you only use 20 or 25 if you have the opportunity to use 30? So use every single little piece of internet real estate and free advertising that Instagram offers you by utilizing every single hashtag. Now, if you are not sure what hashtags to use, one very good app that I've been using is called Tagify. It's for free in the Google Play Store. I'm not sure if they have it for iPhone or not, but I'm sure if you were to go in your app store and look at hashtag optimization for Instagram, find similar apps to that. Basically, you can use apps to help you discover which hashtags are the most popular in your niche. So let's just go through everything one more time very quickly. We are going to define the niche, do some hashtag research, switch it up from time to time, take advantage of every single piece of little real estate that Instagram offers you, and use apps to make us work smarter, not harder. So I really hope that today's video was helpful for you guys. I really hope that it brought you guys some value and that it will help you to not only grow your Instagram following, but grow a targeted audience on Instagram, because that targeted audience is really what's going to bring you more business. That targeted audience is what's going to help you connect with your followers on a deeper level, because what you will be offering to them is exactly up their alley and is exactly what they're searching for. It is exactly what they are interested in. And that is how you can become the most successful in whatever line of business you are using by utilizing social media. So that's all for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and you can also turn on the notifications bell to receive notifications every single time that I release a new video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time, and I hope you have a great night.